guys, I'm back again, and today I wanted to share with you a little bit about what I use to film, because I'm somebody who just films in the moment. I like to enjoy the experience, so I only use my phone, and I have upgraded, so I want to share that with you. What's wonderful is, like, just filming with your phone is you only need to keep one device charged, because sometimes I don't even manage to keep my one phone charged. So that's why I want to share with you guys. If you want to start, it's really easy. So for my first 22 videos, I have been using a Oneplus T3. And I must say, I have been extremely happy with my phone. I love it. We bought it in China more than 3 years ago. About 6 months after I bought it, I dropped it while running, and the screen actually cracked, as you can see. And it's never cracked further. It's never broken. It just stayed like that because I'm really hard on a phone. The camera outside has a 16 megapixel camera, and even the selfie cam has a 16 megapixel, and that's what I really need, because most of my videos, not all of them, but most of them are self-held selfie cams. But now I have upgraded. So excited. So let me show you my brand new OnePlus. Just so you guys know, using a phone is really useful and convenient when starting a YouTube channel, but it takes some creativity. Let me show you how I'm busy videoing this. So this is a really cool stool that you can buy here in India, and there I am. Hello world. So I'm now back on my old phone so that I can show you guys my beautiful new OnePlus T7. No, not T7. 7T. I'm sorry, I'm terrible with technology. So again, my new OnePlus 7T, as in like a 7 and a T, not 70. My 7T. 70. If you say it fast, it sounds like 70, which is so ridiculous because it's not. It's 7T. In case you are wondering, yes, these are dishes that I have stolen from the chickens. So here you can see my new 7T OnePlus. And if you turn it around, you can see its beautiful color, because I'm all about the color of stuff. The camera is very cool. It has 3 different ones. I'm not sure which one is which, but I do know that that one has got 48 megapixel camera, and then one is a 2x zoom, and another is something else. One of the sad things about the beautiful T3 is this. I have to now have an extra adapter for my microphone. It doesn't just plug in. It has no headphone jack where I can just plug it in. Okay, so now I'm going to just do some comparisons between the two. I want to see it for myself. This is just to show you the difference between the T3 and the 7T, to look at the quality, video quality. Just to show you the difference between the T3 and the 7T, to look at the quality, video quality. You can see the neighbor's laundry over there. We will be able to see. For now, you can just look at the beautiful view that's by my house. You can see the neighbor's laundry over there. We will be able to see. For now, you can just look at the beautiful view that's by my house. Why I wanted a new one is it has built-in stabilization. So we are going on a big trip tomorrow. Yay, I'm so excited. We are going to Ukhrul, to a music festival. And then I will be able to take much better footage, perhaps while riding on the motorbike, and of the scenery when holding the camera. Will hopefully be more stable and smooth. You guys can tell me if you see a difference previous to future videos sometime in the future, if you want. So after editing, I must say that I can see a massive difference between the 3T and the 7T OnePlus. The selfie camera has the biggest improvement, which is really exciting because for me, it is the most important camera. The main camera also takes really good videos. You can see a lot more detail. However, there is a little bit of a white balance imbalance. It seems to overexpose a little bit. But the sound quality is much better on the 7T. As you can hear on the videos, even though I have a mic, it's still much better, and that's really exciting. So I'm very happy with my new upgrade, and you guys can let me know, do you notice a difference?